Alright, this is a new updated 2010 Eastern Shovelhead bike check. I've got a lot of new parts, so it's pretty cool. First I got the Shadow Conspiracy, I don't know, I think it's a stun complete back wheel. Yeah, with the little bolts and the hollow ass thingy. Yeah. And the Shadow interlock chain, the Aaron Ross signature tire, the Eastern pivotal seat post, integrated seat tube, my God Strong bracelet, red Mutiny 25 tooth, ethereal, chain wheel, stock Eastern cranks, clear Odyssey twisted PC pedals, the 2010 Eastern Shovelhead frame, the integrated headset with gyro drill outs, the kink bold stem, the 8.25 inch rise, Shadow Voltus bars, the Fly Reuben grips, really good, Shadow bar end, the Animal GLH front tire with the black label front wheel with the black label sealed front hub, the stock Eastern forks. So check out my other videos.